Okay, got back, got my bigger tubing here, here, bigger size, if I need it. So I put the red lenses on here. I went and got a light bulb stuck in here. So we got a regular light bulb here, LED here. We got the red lenses on that I want to use because they look better. So let's see what we got. I noticed the back of the bike is very uneven on the look. The fenders are actually cocked like this. So I got the lights where they kind of look more equal, but this one's actually going downhill, this one's actually going uphill slightly. That's what it took to make it look more equal, because the fender's not equal. Custom bike, custom parts. Alright, anyway, it looks a little better. Alright, so I got to figure out what wires are which here. Again, I think the purple was the right one, but I don't remember. And we're going to play around the lights and see what we got over here in the back of the bike. See how bright things are. So I'll put you in the back view of the bike here. Let's see what we get. Ground here. Ground is black. Red wire is the hot wire. Definitely brighter. Violet is the hot wire. That is a lot brighter. I definitely like incandescent lights a lot better. That's way different. Where's that wire at? Maybe separate. Hot wire. Well, that's not even a comparison there. That is just so much difference, ridiculous. That's just a regular bulb, ain't nothing special there. LEDs suck. Okay, here is the other one. Is that one even on? Now, what a difference. You can look at the door. Turn the light off. So you can see that big red mark right there. That's this light. That little dull thing over there is the other one. Oop, I just broke my wire free. Uh-oh. Now I did it. I have to fix that. And this one over here is the one that's down low by the broom handle. You can barely see it. Yeah, that's quite a difference there. Night and day differences. Yeah. LEDs are horrible. So remember that. LEDs suck. You think they're bright? They're not bright at all. Look at the difference. I can't believe it's such a big difference. Oh, that is just completely not even close. I think it looks like it's amber. It's so damn light. You come back around this one, it still looks amber. That one's red. See, LED does not put out the correct spectrum of light either. And the colors are different, everything's different. That doesn't even look like it's a amber. That's a red lens on there. It looks amber. It looks like 100% amber lead, and it's red. Oh, that's horrible. Okay, well, so much for LEDs. We're losing that. The tail light, the brake light down there, it'll work. All right, it's not very bright, not compared to that, but we're going to have these running lights on, so these will be bright up here. So the fact that we got a dull ass tail light doesn't matter. So the tail light would be this one here. Let's see if I can do this here. A little bit harder doing the tail light. Yep, they're both on. Can't see one, but they're both on. Okay, then this one over here. Hard to do this without clips. Come on, just stay. Damn it. Oh, got to stay on. Alright, so now we're on the tail light. Of course, that's even worse than the other one. So those are the same color lights, same brightness lights as the brake light, except there's more of them. So that's kind of a fake deal of doing that. And then obviously up in here, it's a night and day difference between these two working correctly. So we're going to go back to incandescent lights. So if those bulbs break, no big deal. The tail light will still be on. But obviously we're going to get light off these backlights. Tremendously different. So, all right. Well, there's a test. Wonderful. There you go. That's how you figure this crap out. Let's do it. So we are on violet. Okay. Let's see, I'll do those separate. All right, I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do over here. Because I don't know what I'm going to do. Need to figure it out. Let's see, let's get over here. We can see better. License plate hides the view over there. So. All right, now you can see what I'm working on.